So how do we actually get sound from our AOC monitor here, as you can see? Well, if I'm just gonna play this one right here as an example, you can see the volume is turned up here and I do have volume here on my PC. But even if I do, it still isn't actually giving me any sound whatsoever. And that is because most of the AOC monitors, they don't actually come with sound. But there is one way to fix this still. And that is to have a Bluetooth speaker right here, as you can see. So for example, this one is very, very good for this. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just gonna show you how to actually fix this issue really, really quickly. So I'm just gonna zoom in here on my PC real quick. So basically, I'm also going to turn down the volume a bit because when I do connect it, it's gonna be pretty loud. So now what I'm going to do on my Bluetooth speakers is just click on this button right here, click and hold until I can see this light right here. So now it's turned on. Then what I'm going to do on my PC here is to just go into settings and then go into Bluetooth and device and then click on add device here and then click on Bluetooth. Hopefully you guys can see okay. And this is how it's called for me right here. So I'm just gonna connect to it. So now it's connected. So what I'm going to show you now is that I'm just gonna show you that it's playing now on the monitor as well. And now if I turn up I'm just gonna turn up the volume a little bit here. You can see it's now actually playing finally from the monitor. So now I can actually get sound from my AOC monitor finally. If I stop, it's gonna stop. If I start, it's gonna start here. So now we actually do finally get sound from it. And yeah, this is how I was able to do so. And by the way, I have linked a link down below for a very good Bluetooth speaker. And it is an affiliate link, by the way, so if you're going to use it, I will get a small commission, but at no extra cost to you, of course. And that's just if you want to be able to support my channel, obviously. But yeah, basically that is exactly how to do this.